ever since the day I found that I can cut my crease with the white pencil, I have never looked back, and I swear this is the easiest, simplest, quickest eyeshadow cut crease that you can come up with.
Don't Uber out of my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women.
What's up, people, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Sarah, and I'm so excited to be back after a very long time of not making YouTube videos. I'm very excited to be back, and yeah, if it is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if you have been here before, I have no words for you, but I'm happy that you are here. So let us get into the video without wasting more time. Okay, so I'm going to use this REVLON Candid Antioxidant Concealer in the color 060. I am going to make a blank and smooth canvas for me to be able to apply my eyeshadow. I like this so much because it's kind of thick and I think it's very easy to apply. I have been using LA Girl concealers in a while, and I still consider LA Girl one of the best concealers in drugstore, but since I started using this concealer from Revlon, I have never also looked back. These are the eyeshadows that I'm going to use. This is actually a quad, and these are the colors. I have been having this for a long time. Don't forget to make sure that you blend your concealer nicely and that it does not cake up. So I'm gonna go first with this color, and I am going to pack it right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take a fluffy eyeshadow brush like this one. I'm using the tip of this brush and I am blending in a circular motion. I prefer you doing this before coming with a transitioning color. Yeah, let me come closer so that you can see. This is how it is looking. This is how it is looking. So I'm gonna go back to the eyeshadow again, and I'm gonna intensify the color only on my crease. Like so, and then I'm going to transition with this color right here. And this is how it is looking. And guys, nobody should laugh at me, okay? So this is my white pencil, is from Essence, and it is in color 04 white. Don't laugh at your girl. Let me get closer so that you can see what I'm about to do right now. So when you cut your crease, you need to make sure that this is the place where you're gonna cut your crease. So I'm gonna go like so. Zoop. And after doing that, I'm gonna fill in the spaces where I have cutted my crease. So guys, I have cutted my crease already and I think it is sharp enough. So I'm gonna fill in the spaces with my, okay, you know what I'm gonna do, guys? It's the first time I do this, so I'm hoping I'm going to do it correctly. I think it will be better if I remove like some of this color here, like so. I am not going to do it all over the place. Okay, I think that is how much I can afford to remove that eyeshadow for now. I think next time I will be able to do it better, but I wouldn't want to spoil the work that I have done already. Okay, the reason I decided to remove that blue color was because I wasn't getting like a pure white color base. The pencil was also taking in the blue color, so it was kind of a mixture of both colors and it really wasn't doing it for me. So I'm gonna quickly take in this color here. I'm gonna take in this color from the same palette and I am going to apply it here. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna take in another color in one of my old palettes. It has a very nice white shiny color because all the eyeshadows I have used right now, they are a little bit shiny, so I don't think the matte is doing it for me. So I'm gonna use this other palette to give a little bit of shine. So guys, I decided to use a toothpick, you know, for the sake of precision and also for some creativity. You gotta use what you have. And then I'm gonna use Deep Black from Essence, and what I like to do is I like to use this wand and then put a little bit of this eyeliner on my hand. It is easy for me to use an eyeliner using this type of a brush rather than using the wand from the eyeliner. Moving forward, I'm going to use my Maybelline Rocket Volume Express Mascara. Okay, because I didn't want this video to be long, guys, I went ahead and completed the rest of the look off camera, and I applied my falsies. I also applied mascara on my under eyelashes and also dusted with a little bit of blue to give it a pop. Okay guys, so this is our final look. I hope that you have enjoyed it as much as I did, And please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to comment also on the section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and until I see you on my next upload, bye.